Tonight, while you sleep, something extraordinary could be happening inside your body. Your brain could be rewiring itself, your eyes repairing microscopic damage, and your memory sharpening, even as you rest. But here's the shocking part. Most people block this healing process every single night without even realizing it. And the solution is so simple, so natural, and so delicious that you'll wonder why no one told you earlier. If you're over 40, 50, or 60, this might be one of the most important videos you ever watch, because helping your brain and vision regenerate while you sleep is not only possible, it's scientifically supported. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3 dry fruits Dr. William Li recommends to strengthen your eyes, supercharge your memory, and support natural overnight repair. And once you start eating them the right way, you may notice clearer focus, sharper thinking, and more restful sleep within days. But first, let's talk about a problem millions of people silently suffer from. As we age, our eyes start to strain faster, reading becomes harder, and night driving feels uncomfortable. Simple things like remembering names or conversations don't feel as effortless as they used to. Many mature adults describe it as constant fog, a feeling where the mind is tired even when the body isn't. Sometimes the eyes burn, sometimes they blur, and sometimes you forget things you used to remember instantly. The truth is, this isn't just aging, it's nutritional decline, slow, steady, and preventable. Now here's the part nobody talks about. Your body does most of its repairing and regenerating at night. Your brain clears out toxins. Your eyes restore blood flow. Your memory forms new connections. But this natural repair cycle only works if your body has the right nutrients available, especially certain antioxidants and healthy fats found in just a few specific dry fruits. And this brings us to the big question. What are the 3 dry fruits Dr. William Li says can help repair your eyes and boost memory while you sleep? Naturally, keep watching, because the last one might surprise you. To understand why these dry fruits work, we need to look at how vision and memory break down in the first place. Your eyes and brain are constantly under attack from oxidative stress molecules that cause inflammation and damage. Over time, this stress weakens the retina, slows brain signaling, and makes your memory feel sluggish. But certain foods, especially nutrient-dense dry fruits, contain compounds that neutralize this stress, improve blood flow, and nourish delicate nerve cells. Let's start with dry fruit number 1, walnuts. Walnuts are basically brain food in a shell. They contain omega-3 fatty acids that strengthen the communication pathways inside your brain. Dr. Li explains that omega-3 south increase BDNF, a growth factor that helps protect your memory. Walnuts also reduce nighttime inflammation, allowing your brain to enter a deep, restorative sleep. Just 2-3 walnuts before bed can support sharper recall, calm your mind, and reduce that morning brain fog. Next up, dry fruit number 2, dried apricots. This one is incredibly powerful for your vision. Dried apricots are packed with vitamin A, lutein, and beta-carotene nutrients your retina needs to stay healthy. These compounds protect the macula, support night vision, and help keep the tiny blood vessels in your eyes strong. Eating just 3-4 dried apricots in the evening gives your eyes the antioxidants they need for overnight repair. Over time, this can lead to brighter, clearer vision and less eye strain while you're reading or using your phone. And now for the third and final dry fruit, raisins, especially black raisins. Raisins are fantastic for improving oxygen-rich blood flow to both the brain and the eyes. They are loaded with polyphenols, which protect your neurons from aging and help stabilize memory-forming chemicals. Black raisins also support mitochondrial health, your cell's tiny energy engines, which means better brain energy and less forgetfulness. A small handful at night can help your brain stay active, protected, and ready to repair itself while you sleep. These 3 dry fruits work together like a natural nighttime foundation: walnuts for the brain, apricots for the eyes, and raisins for blood flow and cellular repair. And here comes a small emotional truth. As we grow older, protecting our memory and our vision isn't just about health. It's about staying present for the people we love, remembering their faces, their voices, and their stories. It's about staying independent, confident, and connected to life. Now, earlier I asked a question: which 3 dry fruits can help repair your vision and boost your memory naturally while you sleep? You now know the answer: walnuts, dried apricots, and black raisins. This is the simple trio that feeds your brain and eyes when they need it the most during rest. So here's your easy nightly routine. Eat 2-3 walnuts, 3-2 for dried apricots, and a small handful of black raisins about 1 hour before you go to bed. Give it 1 to 2 weeks, and you might be surprised by the results. Your brain and your eyes will thank you. Before we wrap up, remember this: your age does not define your clarity, your sharpness, or your future. Small, daily habits can rebuild you from the inside out. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness content. And let me know in the comments which of these dry fruits will you start adding to your nighttime routine. Thanks for watching.